Right, well, we'll pick it back up again at Padley Gorge. Oh, it's a bit more snowy here, but I'm just looking over into the into where all the old oak trees are, and it looks really good. All the trees seem to have got some kind of coating of snow on the windward side, I guess. That looks really cool. Don't know whether I'm going to find anything though. We'll get into it and see. Pepper. Come on, Doc. Come on, Pepper. Come on, this way. Well, this place has definitely got some potential. Let's get things set up. See what we can see. Definitely. Yep. So I've got the Velvia in still. Got some glasses on so I can see what's happening. Okay, that's fine. Got some serious issues with the water. So there is an image right in front of me here. Padley Gorge, misty trees, with some Fuji Velvia. I am at F11, 8th of a second. Here we go. It's really nice. Really nice. There's so much here. I'll keep wandering around to see what I can find. So everywhere I look here, there's pictures to be had. I've just taken one of these 3 trees in front of me where their branches are all kind of, these ones here going out that way and out that way, and then framed by these 2 rocks in the foreground. That was really nice. Yeah. So anyway, I am going to keep wandering down here for a bit longer because there's all of this up here, and I'm hoping sun might come out of it. So, yeah, that would be the dream. I'm rather liking this shot. It's looking down towards the little footbridge. So I'm going to shoot this in both colour and in black and white. First one is the Acros black and white. Right, and now I'm going to try it with the Velvia. See how that goes. Dark slides out. We are at f16.5 seconds. Here we go. Well, there's a nice one. A tiny little splash of colour over there behind me. I'm not sure whether you can see it or not. Maybe you can. Anyway, yeah. So I am going with the Velvia, obviously, because there's a bit of colour. You can see there, this tree tucked behind, so it's a beech tree, and then it's kind of framed by this tree on the left, and then it kind of juxtapositions with these old dead trees to the side of it, but it looks really, really nice. Yeah, and then of course all of the twisting trees disappearing into the mist behind also really, really make the picture. So we are on EV11, which is equating to 30th of a second at f8. So let's go. Dark slide is out. Mirror's locked up. Pepper's in the way now, but that doesn't matter. Okay. Here we go. Nice. Must be getting on for 8 or 9 pictures now, which is good. We'll keep plugging away. Well, this is a nice little spot. Here we have a millstone, and then this beautiful tree in the background. Nice. Again, shooting with the Velvia. I think, what were the settings on this? F8 at a 30th of a second, I think. Yeah. Just, again, with the mists in the background, it just really makes the shot. So, take the dark slide out, go for that mirror lock up. There we go. It's already focused. And composition set up. So, here we go. I don't think I've got many left. I think got 2 left on this roll. Anyway, if it comes out all right, I'll put it up. Let me know what you think. Come up. Well, I think that's it. Last image of the day. The little wooden bridge over the river. Nice. Tried a couple of one black and white, one colour, and a couple of long exposures as well with the ND filter on the front. But yeah, I think that would be quite nice. Right, it was a pleasant day out. Beautiful conditions, misty, cold, trees, great. Padley Gorge has got lots of opportunities, really nice. I shot about 6 shots on the Acros and 11 on the Velvia. Oh no, I shot one off by accident on the Velvia as well. But yeah, it's been a really nice day out. I'll put the pictures up if you like them, and give them a tickle, please. That would be really good. Subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of content. Check out my website for my photo book. If you like these Hasselblad pictures, then you're going to love that Hasselblad photo book. But yeah, that's it. I'm going to head home. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.